Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is National Sports Governance Bill 2025, a step towards transparency. 5 seconds to go. A major reform in India's sports administration took shape this year as the central government introduced the National Sports Governance Bill 2025 in Parliament. The bill aims to establish a transparent and accountable system of governance within the national sports federations, protect the interest of athletes and ensure ethical practices in the sporting sector. One of the key provisions of the bill is that every federation will now be required to apply for annual recognition from the Sports Ministry. Timely elections will be made mandatory and all sports-related disputes will be addressed by a newly proposed body called the National Sports Tribunal. This move is intended to streamline administrative procedures and reduce prolonged court cases in the sports arena. Significantly, the bill also brings the Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI), the country's most powerful and autonomous sports body, under its ambit. This means that BCCI too will have to apply for official recognition like other federations. Moreover, in case of disputes, the BCCI will first have to approach the National Sports Tribunal instead of directly seeking legal relief from courts. This change is being viewed as a major step towards ensuring transparency and fairness in India's cricket administration. However, several experts have raised concerns about the possible impact of the bill on the autonomy of sports federations. Critics argue that increased government oversight could interfere with the independent functioning of sports bodies. In response, government officials have clarified that the bill is not meant to control the federations but to bring governance reforms and accountability into the system. Despite these debates, most observers agree that the bill could help address long-standing issues like selection controversies, financial irregularities, and lack of athlete representation. If implemented effectively, the legislation could mark the beginning of a more transparent, efficient, and fair sports ecosystem in India. Overall, the National Sports Governance Bill 2025 represents a significant shift in how sports are managed in the country. It not only sets new administrative standards but also strengthens the legal and ethical foundation of Indian sports. This step shows the government's intent to make sports governance more modern, democratic, and player-centered, a move that could positively influence India's sporting future. Stop.